guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to be doing the project C89, the math quiz. So in this project, this is going to be the output. So we're going to create a game. This is going to be the login page, and then we're going to have the game page. So this is the HTML part. So there are mostly like game login.js and game page.js type of like that. So let's get to the coding part. So here, as you can see, first of all we have game login.js, but let's start with index.html. Then doc type html, guess the word, meta, then all the links, of course all the links. Then we have open the center tag. In H1 tag we have written game, then the div class column large equals 4, column small equals 8, column extra small equals 11, login div 1. And then H3, in H3 we have written player 1 login for the game. And then there's a label, there is written username. Then we have input type is gonna be text, id is gonna be player one name input, class is gonna be form control, placeholder is gonna be player one name. Then we're gonna give a break tag, then we're gonna close the div tag that we have opened there, then we're gonna give a break tag again, then we're gonna start a div class for the second player. So column LG equals COL equals column, LG equals large and 4, and COL equals column, SM equals small 8. Column and the X and S is gonna be extra small 11 and login div 2. Then H3 player 2 login for the game in the H3 tag. Then the label, we're gonna add username. Then we have to add the input type. Input type is going to be text, then the id is going to be player to name input, add class is going to be form control, and placeholder player to name and br tag, and close the div tag, and then another br tag, and then we open a button tag. So first of all, button style, you can do anything: button style, button class, or button on click. So button style width is gonna be 30%, and class is gonna be BTN primary. On click add user, and then we're gonna add login. So this is going to be adding the user when we click on it, log in. So then let's go to game page.html. So this is the game page. This is gonna be the game page. So same. Then h4 id player one name. In H4, the ID is going to be player 1 name, the span ID is going to be player 1 score. The same for the player 2 div class container. Then in that we open the center tag. H2 style color is going to be white, guess the word. So guess the word text is going to be white. And H3 ID player question and H3 ID player answer. Then div ID is going to be output. Class is gonna be column large 6 and close the div tag. We have opened this and closed this one only, not this one, guys. This one only. Then give two br tags, break tags. Then we have label, send your word, I think. Yes, send your word. B style color, red. Try putting word which has 5 or more alphabet. Close the B tag, and close the label tag. Then another break tag. Then input type is going to be text, id is going to be word, and class is going to be form control, placeholder is going to be word. Then another br tag, break tag. Then we have the button on click is going to be send. Then class is going to be btn success, and style is going to be width 30%, and in that, for the button name is going to be send. That we are going to click when we are going to uh, just close the center tag and the div tag. Then all the script source is going to be gamepage.js. So let's go to gamepage.js. Then we have, oh my god, this is a big code. So player one name, local storage, get item, player one. The same for this. Player one score, player two score. Document dot get element by ID, player one name dot inner HTML equals player one name. The same for this. Then document dot get element by ID, player one score. This is the name. Dot inner HTML, player one score, player one name. Same for the player two. The document dot get element by ID, player's question, inner HTML, question turn equals player one, and player answer turn, player two. And then we have function send. Get word equals document dot get element by ID, word dot value. Word equals get word dot to lowercase console dot log, word in lowercase plus word. So this is a big code. So I think it might be okay. So it is not given here. So I'll be just giving the link because it's a big code and it's gonna take like way too long. So we're gonna leave this and then we're gonna hop on to, we have done game login. No, we have not done game login. So this is so small function add user, player one name plus document dot get element by ID, player one name input. Same for player two. Then local storage dot set item, player one name, and same for the player two. Window dot location game page dot html. So we have done game login.js, game page.html. We skipped. No, we didn't skip. We have done this. And game page.js we skipped because it's way too long. And game.css is this. We have done index.html also. Last is game.css. Then body is going to be background light blue. This is also not much, but still. And login div1 and login div2. For both of them, background is going to be white, padding is going to be 10 pixel, float, it's not going to float, so none. Border radius is going to be 15 pixel. Now for player 1 and player 2 both, display is going to be inline block, margin left is going to be 20 pixels. Then word width is going to be 60%, that's it, close the flower brackets. Then word display, letter spacing is going to be 5 pixel. Then the output background is going to be white, border radius is going to be 10 pixel, border top is going to be 10 pixel solid, and this is the color, this. Then padding 10 pixel, float of course none, and text align is going to be left. So let's go to gamelogin.js and open the web page, go live. So here we have this. So I'm gonna write my name and I'm just gonna write user. Okay. So we have Dhruvi and user, my name and user. So here I can type a word which has 5 or more alphabet. If I add 1, 2, 3, send. Okay, it's still gonna go. So that is very bad. And if I put we're gonna remove the I and then send it. So we have the question. Question turn was Dhruvi and answer turn is user. Oh, we forgot here. Game login dot just game page customer game page just. So we forgot one thing here. We have to add this here. Okay, there we go. All done. And now let's return to the page and log in and there user. So code string, and then I can send it, and it has to come like this. Then I'm gonna type my answer. Then it's not gonna check because it's only the first part. So let's inspect it, and let's go to console. So there are like, yeah, some, because it's okay guys, this is the end of this video. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the bell notification. If it helped you, please comment in the comment section, and please subscribe to my channel, and I hope I see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.